Hey guys, so if you guys haven't seen part one, be sure to check that out where I detangle and pre-poo my natural hair after I'd gone about 3 months without washing due to depression. The link will be left below. So I'm starting off in the shower, and I pretty much allowed my pre-poo to sit on my hair for about an hour. Now, if you guys haven't seen part one, be sure to watch that video first. I go through all the steps and what I do when I do wash my hair. The only thing that's different is some of the products that I am using. However, this is what my hair looks like after my pre-poo sat on it for about an hour. So now I'm just going in and rinsing all of that out. I'm using a filtered shower head, and I kind of have it on like the strongest spray setting, so that's the reason why it looks like it's so harsh on my hair. But I use that setting just to allow all of the products to be taken out of my hair. So I'm starting off using my Selsun Blue shampoo, and I tend to use this shampoo directly on my scalp. Any extra shampoo that's coming down my shafts, I just kind of work it down the length of my hair, but I primarily focus the shampoo directly on my scalp just because I have a lot of product builds up and I do occasionally get dander. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I do work in sections, and usually I do break my hair down into more sections, but for the sake of this video I just decided to do just 2 sections. So now I'm using my Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Anti-Breakage Shampoo. And this is actually my first time using this shampoo. I purchased this with my own money. This is a non-sponsored video. Everything you guys see throughout this video is my own. However, once again, this was the first time that I did use this shampoo, and I was pleasantly surprised. It didn't really give me like that stripped feeling that most shampoos kind of give you. It kind of gave me a nice moisturizing, hydrated feeling. However, my hair still felt very clean. So I went ahead and I focused that shampoo once again on my scalp, removing any excess product buildup, and I went down the length of my hair, and now I am just rinsing everything out just to ensure that my hair is free of shampoo. So now I'm going in using my Curlsmith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask Deep Conditioner. Now this deep conditioner is super thick, and it's actually chock full of a bunch of different nutrients. I think it has hyaluronic acid, white cedar, lavender flowers, green tea extract, just a whole bunch of stuff to kind of help rehydrate your hair. Now I personally am not a fan of super thick conditioners just because it kind of just sits on top of my hair, kind of like how you guys see here. I kind of prefer my deep conditioners to really sink into my hair, you know, allowing my curls to redefine itself. However, this is a good deep conditioning mask if your hair is struggling and is super dry or dehydrated. You're going to definitely want to incorporate this into your regimen. So I went ahead and I applied that to my sections, and I braided those up to put those away. And I'm going to repeat what I just did on my next section, first starting off rinsing out that pre-poo. Then I'm doing my first shampoo using the Selsun Blue Moisturizing Shampoo and primarily focusing directly on my scalp. Now I'm doing my second wash using my Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Shampoo, and I'm focusing on my scalp and then bringing the remainder shampoo down the length of my hair. Now, as you guys can see how clean my hair and my scalp is, I really thought that I might have to do more washes, being that I hadn't washed my hair in such a long time, but my hair is super clean, squeaky clean at that. So now I'm going in using my Curlsmith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask Deep Conditioner, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to this section. So now that I've applied the conditioner to all of my sections, I'm now going to further go in and detangle. I'm using pretty much every last detangling tool that I own. So I started off using my unbrush and I went ahead and I detangled that section. Now I'm using this wet brush that I have, and I have the wet brush treatment brush, and it really does help work in like conditioners and stuff like that. If you guys want to see a separate video on this particular brush, let me know. I've had it for a while and this is like my first time using it. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm going in and I'm detangling all of my section. I really want to make sure that all of my hair is coated with that conditioner and that I don't have any leftover tangles or shedded hairs. So now that my hair is semi-detangled, I go ahead and I apply a plastic bag on my hair and I just go ahead and let it sit on for a couple of hours. So it's been about 2 hours. We're now going to rinse that conditioner out. Now when I do rinse out my conditioner, I further detangle, and I know you guys are probably wondering like, what is up with all the detangling? I'm one of those people who have tangle prone hair, and my stylist told me that it comes from the fact that I have quite a few different hair types all on one head. She told me that I had type 4A, type 4B, and type 4C all on my head, so it likes to kind of intertwine and tangle up with each other. So when I take my hair down and I turn around, my hair is back tangled again. So if you guys have any advice, be sure to let me know. I love to know what you guys do in order to keep your hair from tangling up. I know I did see quite a few different videos of some natural girls who do their entire wash routine while their hair is sectioned off in braids. I might give that a try and see how that works for me, but for the most part, this is what my hair is looking like. You guys see it has a nice natural shine. My hair is nice and clean. My scalp is nice and clean. So now I'm just twisting up my hair to get my hair ready to be blow dried and flat ironed. Be sure to check out part 3 where you'll see me blow dry my hair, flat iron it up, and get it ready for my next style. You guys make sure you guys give this video a like if you guys want to see more videos like that. And here is just a quick little preview on what's coming on part 3. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.